How to get PayPal money. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can get PayPal money, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to withdraw money from PayPal, it's very simple. Open your browser or the app, go to paypal.com or log in from the app depending on what is comfortable for you. After you do that, in order to withdraw money, we have to either link a card which is a debit card of the bank or directly a bank account. Now for this, after you log in, right on the home page you'll find the option called cards that asks you to link a card. So you can tap on the link a card option here, and then after you do that, you'll be simply able to enter your debit or credit card number, the card type, expiration date, security code, the billing address, and tap on link a card. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to link it, and if you have any sort of funds over here, then you can always tap the three lines option. Then you should be able to go to the wallet tab or the payments tab, and then you'll be able to withdraw your funds. That's all it takes to get PayPal money. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.